Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sky, Children of the Light on your personal computer. Many players worldwide enjoy this beautiful social adventure game, and now you can experience it on a larger screen. We will cover the official way to play through Steam, which offers a dedicated PC experience with many benefits. Additionally, we will discuss using Android emulators as another viable option to enjoy the game, providing flexibility for your gameplay. The most recommended way to play Sky, Children of the Light on PC, is through its official release on Steam. The game launched into early access on Steam in April of 2024. This version offers full crossplay and cross-progression, meaning you can connect with friends on mobile or console and carry your progress across devices. It is a free-to-play title, making it easily accessible for everyone. If you prefer, or if the official PC version isn't your primary choice, Android emulators provide another way to play. These programs simulate an Android environment on your computer, letting you install the mobile version of Sky. Popular emulators like BlueStacks, LD Player, and Mumu Player offer features such as custom key mapping and improved graphical settings, giving you a unique gameplay experience. Playing Sky on PC brings several advantages, including potentially higher graphical fidelity and the comfort of keyboard and mouse controls. Remember to link your existing Sky account from a mobile device to your Steam account to transfer your progress seamlessly. This ensures you can continue your adventures with your current Sky Kid. Join the welcoming community and explore the beautiful realms with friends, no matter their platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.